Hey everybody, this is Tracy from Slavens Racing. We have a power valve setup plate for the 24 electronic power valves. They are not like our old style TBI power valves that have been around for a long time. These have to be timed and clocked in the right position or they will not run right. So if you have a 250 and buying a 300 kit, they come in pieces, you have to assemble it. Or if you're taking it apart to clean and put back together, you would need this plate as reference to getting it timed back properly so that everything fits and operates as intended. So it's got two little dowel pins in the back side of it that fit in these holes here, and you just line those two up with that. The grub screw is not in this one, but you take and set it on, get it all hooked up like that. You want to make sure that that piece is touching that plate. It can vary just a little bit, which like that, you can see that clearance right there. That makes a difference, so you want to make sure that's touching and that screw, countersunk screw right there, fits right in that groove in this sub port gear. And when it's all set up like this, then you know that you're all timed back properly, and you should be able to put the electronic side back on once you get the cylinder on, and you should be good to go. Till next time.